Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Khairi is an employee who works in a factory. She works for 7 hours a day. She gets daily wages as rupees 282. She gets rupees 282 as daily wages. She asks to the manager that how much will she earn if she works for 21 days. So the manager replies approximately rupees 5,600. That is the manager rounded off 282 as 280 and 21 days as 20. The manager just multiplied 280 and 20. 0 into 0 will be 0. 0 into 8 will be 0. 0 into 2 will be 0. We have completed the first line. Now we are going to write second line. Before writing the second line, you have to put 0 in the first place. 0 into 2 will be 0. 2 into 8 will be 16. And we have remaining 1. 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. We have to add these two lines. 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 6 will be 6. Here we don't have any number, so write 5 as it is. So the manager replied as rupees 5,600 approximately. Then what will be the actual amount what Khairi earns? We have to multiply 282 and 21. One into 2 will be 2, 1 into 8 will be 8, 1 into 2 will be 2. We have completed the first line. We have to write second line now. So first place you have to put 0. In the second line, the first place we have to put 0 and then start writing from the second place. Now multiply 2 and 4. Multiply 2 and 2. 2 into 2 will be 4. 2 into 8 will be 16. So write 6 here and 1 will be carried to next place. 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. Now we are going to add these two lines. 2 plus 0 will be 2. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So write 2 here and carry 1 to next place. 6 plus 2 will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. Here we don't have any number, so write 5 as it is. So the actual money what Khairi earns for 21 days will be rupees 5,922. Now we are going to solve exercise 4.1. The first problem is estimate the products. We have to multiply 903 and 32, but it is given as estimate the product. So we are going to round off the numbers and then multiply. Estimation is nothing but rounding off the numbers. So we are going to round off 903 and 32. Estimation of 903 is 900. Estimation of 32 will be 30. You have already learnt about rounding of numbers in the first chapter itself. We have to multiply 930. 0 into 0 will be 0, 0 into 0 will be 0, 0 into 9 will be 0. We have completed the first line. Next we are going to write the second line. Before writing the second line, we have to put 0 in the first place and then start multiplying. 0 into 3 into 0 will be 0, 3 into 0 will be again 0, 9 into 3 will be 27. Now we are going to add these two lines. 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 0 will be 0. Here we don't have any numbers, so write 7 and 2 as it is. So the answer is 27,000. We can also multiply this as 9 into 3 will be 27. Now count how many zeros are here. We have 1, 2 and 3. So write 3 zeros after 27. We can use this for fast calculation. You can omit the zeros in the numbers. We have 3 zeros. We can leave that and multiply 9 and 3 alone. 9 3s are 27. Now include these 3 zeros after 27. So we have got the same answer. We can use this also for multiplication. Next problem is find the products. We are going to multiply 213 and 12. With 2 we are going to multiply 3, 1 and 2. 2 into 3 will be 6, 2 into 1 will be 2, 2 into 2 will be 4. Next we are going to write second line. So we have to put 0 in the first place and then start multiplying. We have to multiply 1 with 3, 1 and 2. 1 into 3 will be 3, 1 into 1 will be 1, 1 into 2 will be 2. Add these two lines. 6 plus 0 will be 6, 2 plus 3 will be 5, 4 plus 1 will be 5. Here we don't have any number, so write 2 as it is. So the answer is 2556. The third question is, Rizwan and Khairi decide to buy hens. Each hen cost rupees 458. The first question is, if they buy 15 hens, how much will they spend? Cost of one hen is equal to rupees 458. Then the cost of 15 hens is equal to 458 into 15. So we are going to multiply 458 and 15. With 5 we have to multiply 8, 5 and 4. 5 into 8 is 40. So write 0 here and remaining we have 4. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 4 is 29. So we have to write 9 here and we have 2 as remaining. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Next we are going to write the second line. So in the first place we have to put 0. Now multiply 1 with 8, 5 and 4. 1 into 8 is 8. 1 into 5 is 5 and 1 into 4 is 4. We have to add these two lines. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 8 is 17. So write 7 here and carry 1 to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. So the cost of 15 hens is rupees 6,870. The next question is, if one hen lays 4 eggs in a week, then how much egg will it lay in 28 days? In a week, a hen lays 4 eggs. We have to find how many eggs will it lay in 28 days. We have the eggs in terms of weeks only. So we are going to convert 28 days into weeks. To convert days into weeks, we have to divide 28 by 7. So divide 28 by 7. 7 into 4 will be 28. Subtract these two numbers. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is 4. So 28 days can be written as 4 weeks. We have to find how many eggs will it lay in 28 days. We know that for a week a hen lays 4 eggs. Then for 4 weeks we have to multiply it with 4, because we have converted 28 days into 4 weeks. So we are going to multiply 4 weeks and 4 eggs. So 4 into 4 will be 16. So eggs laid in 28 days equal to 16 eggs. We should convert 28 days into weeks. So we are dividing 28 by 7. We have got the quotient as 4. So 28 days equal to 4 weeks. So we have to multiply 4 weeks and 4 eggs. 4 into 4 will be 16. So eggs laid in 28 days equal to 16 eggs. Next C subdivision is, how much eggs will 15 hens lay in 28 days? We know that one hen lays 16 eggs in 4 weeks. That is, a hen lays 16 eggs in 28 days. We have to find eggs laid by 15 hens in 28 days. So we have to multiply 16 and 15. 16 into 15. With 5 we have to multiply 6 and 1. 5 into 6 is 30. So write 0 here and 3 is remaining. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. We are going to write second line. So in the first place we have to put 0. With 1 we have to multiply 6 and 1. 1 into 6 is 6. 1 into 1 is 1. Add these two lines. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2. So, eggs laid by 15 hens in 28 days equal to 240 eggs. ஒரு hen 28 டேஸில் 16 eggs லே பண்ணுச்சுன்னா அப்போ 15 hens வந்து எவ்வளோ லே பண்ணுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்போ 15ஐயும் 16ஐயும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோன்னா நமக்கு 240 கிடைக்கும். அப்போ ஆன்சர் வந்து 240 eggs. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின். If Rizwan and Khairi sells 1 egg for rupees 6, how much will they earn after selling the eggs laid by the 15 hens in 28 days? Cost of 1 egg is given as rupees 6. We have to find the cost of eggs laid by 15 hens in 28 days. 15 hens lay 240 eggs in 28 days. Then the cost of 240 eggs equal to, we have to multiply 240 and 6. With 6 we have to multiply 0, 4 and 2. 0 into 6 will be 0. 6 into 4 is 24. So we have to write 4 here and 2 is remaining. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So the answer is rupees 1440. The fourth problem is frame word problem for multiplication statements. Now multiplication statements are given. We have to frame word problem for the given statements. A shopkeeper has 78 cartons of apples in his shop. If each carton has 395 apples, then how much apples does the shopkeeper have? So we have to multiply 78 and 395. Then we will get the answer. This is the word problem I have framed with 395 into 78. Next, I am going to frame word problem for B statement. In a factory, a worker's daily wages is rupees 877. Then how much money does the factory spend on daily wages of 66 workers in the factory. In a factory, a worker's daily wages rupees 877. Then how much money does the factory spend on daily wages of 66 workers in the factory? So we have to multiply 66 and 877. We will get the answer. The fifth question is, here is a list of milk products available at Yummy Dairy with the prices. 1 milk packet is rupees 42, 1 cup curd is rupees 30, 1 can buttermilk is rupees 30, 1 cup yogurt is rupees 28. Yummy Dairy sells 324 packets of milk, 126 can of buttermilk and 78 cup of yogurt in a day. How much does the owner of the dairy earn from the sales? First we are going to find the price of 324 packets of milk. One packet milk is rupees 42. Then for 324 milk packets, we have to multiply 324 and 42. 4 into 2 is 8, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 2 is 6. We are going to write the second line. So in the first place we have to put a 0. 4 into 4 is 16. So write 6 here and 1 will be remaining. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 into 3 is 12. We are going to add these two lines. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. So write 0 here and 1 will be carried to next place. 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So write 6 here and 1 will be carried to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here we don't have any number, so write 1 as it is. So the cost of 324 milk packet is rupees 13,608. Next we are going to find the cost of 126 can of buttermilk. 1 can of buttermilk is rupees 30. Then the cost of 126 can of buttermilk is 126 into 30. Zero into 6 is 0, 0 into 2 will be 0, 0 into 1 will be 0. We are going to write the second line. So in the first place we have to put a 0. 3 into 6 is 18. So write 8 here and 1 will be remaining. 3 into 2 will be 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 into 3 is 3. Add these two lines. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 8 will be 8. 0 plus 7 is 7. Here we don't have any number, so write 3 as it is. So the cost of 126 can of buttermilk is rupees 3780. Next we are going to find the cost of 78 cups of yogurt. 1 cup of yogurt is rupees 28. Then the cost of 78 cups of yogurt is 78 into 28. 8 into 8 is 64. So write 4 here and 6 is the remaining. 7 into 8 is 56. To 56 we have to add 6. 56 plus 6 is 62. We are going to write the second line. So in the first place we have to put 0. 2 into 8 is 16. So write 6 here and 1 is remaining. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. And these two lines, 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 6 is 11. So write 1 here and 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2. So cost of 78 cups of yogurt is rupees 2184. We have to find how much does the owner of the dairy earn from the sales. So we have to add the cost of 324 milk packets and the cost of 126 can of buttermilk and the cost of 78 cups of yogurt. We are going to add all the costs together. Eight plus 4 plus 0 is 12. So write 2 here and 1 is carried to next place. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So write 7 here and 1 is carried to next place. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So write 5 here and 1 is carried to next place. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Here we don't have any number, so write 1 as it is. So money earned by the owner is rupees 19,572. The next question is, how much does the owner earn by selling 146 cup of curd and 917 packets of milk in 3 days? Cost of 1 cup of curd is rupees 32. Cost of 146 cups of curd equal to 146 into 32. 6 into 2 is 12. So write 2 here and 1 is carried to next place. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 into 2 is 2. We are going to write the second line. So put 0 in the first place. 6 into 3 is 18. So write 8 here and 1 is remaining. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Write 3 here and 1 is remaining. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now add these two places. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Here we don't have any number, so write 4 as it is. So the cost of 146 cups of curd is rupees 4672. Next we are going to find the cost of 917 packets of milk. Cost of 1 packet of milk is given as rupees 42. We are going to find the cost of 917 packets of milk. 970 into 42. 970 into 42. 7 into 2 is 40. So write 4 here and 1 is carried to next place. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 into 2 is 18. Next we are going to write the second line. So in the first place we have to put 0. 7 4s are 28. So write 8 here and 2 is remaining. 1 into 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next 9 into 4 is 36. We are going to add these two lines. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. So write 1 here and 1 is carried to next place. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So write 5 here and 1 is carried to next place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Here we don't have any number, so write 3 as it is. So the cost of 970 packets of milk is rupees 38,550. What we have to find is how much does the owner earn by selling 146 cup of curd and 970 packets of milk in 3 days. So we have to add the cost of 146 cup of curd and cost of 970 packets of milk. So we are going to add these two numbers. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. So write 1 here and 1 is carried to next place. 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 44 is 13. So write 3 here and 1 is carried to next place. 3 plus 1 is 4. So money owner earn equal to rupees 43,186. Thank you, students.